Last one. Honey gang, y'all see how he's stunning on us? Y'all see how he's stunning on us? Here we go. YouTube, what it do, man? Honey gang, what it do? Welcome back to the channel, man. As you can see, we back out here at the ranch, and today we got a good one. Honey gang, let us know, because we was asking between each other, what makes a good suppressor?
Yeah, what makes a good suppressor? We obviously know quietness.
Quietness.
That's obvious.
For sure. That's what everybody wants. But
I would say lightweight.
Lightweight.
Because you don't want to add too much weight to your gun.
Don't want to add too much weight to
Longevity.
your gun. Longevity. Of course, you don't want to pay for something that's $1,000 and
you only pay a couple of thousand rounds when it's over with.
Facts. Honey gang, the meaning or the idea of this video is to compare and give you all options on suppressors. This is a $300 suppressor. This is a 30 cal can, and this is a $1,000 suppressor, and this as well as a 30 cal can. Excuse me.
Hyperion K.
Hyperion K, and this is a Witt Machine Tool Company Dirty 30. Honey gang. First and foremost, check out the size comparison.
Yeah, you got your little mini right there.
Mini. And weight-wise, his is a feather compared to mine. This thing is super heavy. You don't want to get hit. Yeah.
Oh, dang, I heard that.
Yeah.
A little hollow up there, though.
Yeah. It's different. Yeah. This is a feather compared to mine. So, we're going to get these things on the...
Texas? Oh, yours from Texas? I believe mine from Texas, too.
Mine is out of Texas.
I believe... Nope, mine in New Mexico. I think they... I don't know. I'm tripping. I don't know.
We are...
oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Oh, yeah, this is like he's not exaggerating. It's like a feather compared to...
Crazy
It's like a, change your oil. It's like one of them oil cans or something.
No, for sure. So, aesthetically, of course, this one looks way better.
Yeah, it's like a little suppressor.
You
but
know?
I mean, size, I prefer smaller on my gun.
I went that route because of what I was shooting.
Compact.
It on, compact. And I wanted to, of course, it's foldable, so I wanted to go as small as possible.
Do you know? Do they have like a thing on there that say how many rounds it could take? Anything?
I didn't research that.
Didn't research that?
I didn't research that.
$300.
$300.
I'm kind of curious now. Hold on. It got to be a catch.
Bro, wondering, can he really not have ears on? So
yeah.
I'm finna load up. We gonna load up. We honey gang. We brought the decimal reader out. So we gonna actually see which one is the quietest and by how much. You know, again, $300 versus $1,000. We're gonna see, is it a big enough difference to care or matter? You know? So we're gonna get loaded up and we're gonna get right to it, honey gang. Y'all stay tuned. All right, honey gang. I'm gonna be shooting the Stealth Subsonic. These are 220 grain. I don't have any supersonic, and Hustle don't neither. So this will only be a subsonic test as far as sound.
I mean, if you're shooting a 300 blackout,
right,
this is the only round you need to be shooting, subsonic.
Right. But you know, they'll swear up and down in the comments we didn't do this right because we didn't have both. But really, especially if you got a can on it, what are you doing?
Yeah, you might as well shoot subs.
Okay, so I'm gonna load up and give what, 3 rounds?
3 rounds. Don't blow my eardrum.
You can press hold for me after each shot.
So you, wait, hold on. What are these? Oh, okay. These different. These not, okay.
Make sure I throw these on, cause I be, you know, yeah.
You about to shoot from right here?
Yeah, this.
All right, let me get on the side. Okay, so you want me to hold it right here?
Yeah.
All right, hold on. And you say press hold this?
Yeah, after
hold
the shot. Not just press it after the shot.
Okay. That was 60.
60.8.
Yeah. Ready again?
Yeah.
I mean, it's still moving. But it was 56 when I looked at it. But it's still moving.
Did you might didn't press hold after.
Okay, try it again.
Okay. Last one. Honey gang, y'all see how he's stunning on us? Y'all see how he's stunning on us? Here we go.
I pressed it.
That's what I say. Shoot, and I stand behind here and try to zoom in on you, cause you ain't gonna be able to.
On save.
Okay, all right, let me do it one more time. Okay, I'm gonna press that. It was 60 though, 60 something.
The one that we did get.
Yeah, it was 60 something.
60.8.
Nah, it's just like them shells coming at me. I ain't trying to. They're coming out a little aggressive. Assault rifle. That's what they mean when they say assault rifle. Okay.
You still going?
Like 70 something.
Okay. Try it again.
64.1. So what do we have? What was it? 60.8 and 64.1? Is that what it is? Let me see. Now,
Let's get one more shot. One more shot at it.
one more?
Yeah, one more. Here we can get 3 shots, you know. And I warm mine up too. We ain't shooting no cold starts. Well, yours was the first. So 64.1. First one was like a 60 something.
60.8.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm still going.
You see me pressing it though, huh?
Here we go. One more time. 60.8 again. We are back on safe. Magazine.
It's not loud. It ain't, my ears ain't ringing.
Right. It ain't loud.
Like a little firecracker.
Yeah.
Like them little, you know them little ones? TNT, I think that's what they're called. Nah, it's not even there. It got some pop, but it ain't, I don't need no ears.
For it to be $300, I think.
You in the dough, yeah. Only thing I'm questioning is longevity now. Right. But they might just be a new company trying to get their foot in the dough.
Nah, for sure,
So
because like I was just telling Hustle, they got $195,
yeah,
556 on there. I'm finna grab for Black Friday, you understand?
He about to get you another one.
You can see the numbers way back here?
Ready?
Yeah.
See?
Yeah. Okay, but I don't feel like I pressed it in there. Go ahead. Go ahead. Hold on. Here we go. We finna.
Ready?
Yeah.
Turn your head. I don't want to pop you in the face.
I thought I was in front of it. 50.8. Give me another one. Damn.
And then that was a slide lock. Or I guess you wouldn't say slide, but. Not as easy as it look, huh? You gotta press the button.
Right.
Hustle, press the button. Yeah.
Hold on.
I two of them bad boys get in there. Ready?
57.2. Hold on. Let me press it again. Get it off of there. Okay. 57.4. Okay, that was good. Yeah.
Get one more.
One more.
I got one more shot.
Hold on, let me take it off. Okay, go ahead. 62.2, but that might, I don't know if that, the little flyer sound might have, I don't know.
Hold on.
Damn, we should have wrote them 3 down, because, what was that, 257s?
Press the button.
It went to 58 when it dropped.
Yeah, that's what like.
It's supposed to when it made a,
Hold on, do it again.
It's going. 56, it was at 34 when we was just talking. Hold on, wait, like, don't say nothing right now. It's gonna go down to 48 or 40s. Now, when we talk,
Hold on,
it go
wait, don't say
up.
nothing. Don't say nothing. That's off.
You don't think that's right?
This gunshot is not the same sound as that hitting the table. It's not the same. Am I tripping? But this is not what 300 Blackout sound like. You get what I'm saying?
Picking up a necessary.
I think it's
picking up whatever it hears.
I'm thinking it's hearing, you know what I'm saying, what's coming out of the injection port, not the, I don't know. No. Excuse me. Not what's coming out of the injection port. But,
this gunshot.
so do you think it should be closer to here?
Okay, well, this is just what I'm saying. You can't tell me a gunshot sounds the same as.
Right.
The decimals ain't the same.
No.
2, I'm not sure if we put the pity right here, because guess what else we gonna hear?
How much is that?
Yeah, like how much is that? 60. Everything 60. Everything 60. Nah, something ain't right,
We're
bro.
gonna have to do some more research.
Yeah,
Bill not a science guy.
That's what YouTube is for. It's YouTube University. Somebody in the comments are gonna tell us what we doing wrong if we not doing this right. So y'all let us know.
Because you drop a shell, the decimals is 60. He shoot a 300 Blackout, the decimal is 60. And I see the only reason that made me question that is when I shot, I seen it with 40, but then when that shell dropped, it jumped to 60. And I was like, wait, what is it actually?
Right.
Shoot, if anything, your button, that's your finger hitting 60. I don't know, though. I don't know.
Right.
That's what 300 Blackout sound like?
Honey gang. What we trying to figure out. When we not talking at all,
It's
it
like
dropped down
40s.
to like 40 something. But it's a plane going over now. It might be hearing that.
What's the decimal of the plane?
55, 56.
Sound like a 300 Blackout to me.
We're talking louder than one right now. 7.
Okay, so like I was saying, when we not talking, it go down to like 40 something. When we start talking, it go up to like 60 something. So is this working? Is it right? Is what
300 blackout. We
talking louder than a gunshot. Right
come
now.
on, man. We just gotta take it to the hood. Who got some good ears? Who got the best ears here?
Dang.
That one, GSG's did sound a little bit better.
But like,
No, for sure.
how much of a
That's
Yeah.
that's
Like,
that's
the
the
worth
key
the
factor.
extra.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm not gonna lie, that $300 will get it done.
let me here. You shoot from the side, or you shoot both of them back to back. We're gonna stand on the side and see.
I want to hold it closer to the suppressor.
Okay, you want to hold it up there?
Yeah.
Okay, for sure. Makes more sense, I think, because over here, back here, you hearing all that.
You know what I'm
And
saying?
then that's why the last shot is the loudest, because that bolt is locking back.
And you know what I'm saying now. And also, we trying to do this as safe as possible. So y'all let us know again in the comments, how is it supposed to be done? Where exactly is it supposed to be held? You know what I'm talking about? And from what y'all seeing as far as us being quiet and talking and it moving from 40 to 60, is it doing what it's supposed to be doing? But yeah, I want to see with shots closer to the suppressor and see.
Okay. What's that? That 56? All right. He signed up for this. I didn't say do it. Ready?
Yeah. I don't know if it was a 59 or the 48.
It was like 58.
It was a 59, but okay, hold on. Give me another. 59 again. Okay. One more. 61.
It makes sense because the last shot louder, because the bolt lock.
Okay.
So it's letting the gases escape a little more.
Okay, so two 59s and a 61 holding it next to the suppressor. Let's get mine and see.
How's it sound? How's it sound to you, though?
It's standing right next to it.
Are you jumping? It's not making you like
Nah.
nothing.
Nah.
That's a little boy right there. Okay. Hold up.
Is it going? Okay. Here we go.
No.
No.
That made my ear pop.
Okay. Okay. No.
Did that make your ear pop? Or was it like just like?
It was a crack.
It was a crack. It was like.
It's a little crack.
And what mine was, a 50 or 60?
59.
It was, yeah.
You had two 59s.
And that last
And
Here,
the last one was
you
a
stand
60.
right here. You stand on this side. And you tell me, is it like the same?
Hold on. Let me get it off of there.
Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready. 59. It's definitely not the same.
It's louder.
It's
Mine
louder,
is
but
louder.
it got better. That second shot was better than that first one.
Mine for sure is louder than yours just off standing next to them. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Okay. That was quiet. 49 in the show.
So, well, you ain't got no spring, though. I was about to say, I could hear the spring, but you ain't got no spring. That's
almost there.
no.
You wouldn't?
Give me some shots. Shoot the gun. Pop, 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 pop.
Okay. Do you think?
Now I want you to come up too. Probably like, just like pow, 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 you know? 1, 2.
Yeah, that I shoot them.
Just listen to it, get to know it.
You ready?
No. Yeah, and you flinching.
In front of you.
Oh, this so light. It's so light. This is crazy.
Come on, man.
Nah, for sure.
You ain't
sure.
your eyes when he was shooting his, you like you probably not intentionally doing it, but the sound you just like.
Right.
But when you doing that, and then it would sound like again. I can hear the spring.
Okay.
I see what you're saying.
I don't know about this right here.
But it read that yours was quieter.
Yeah, but I don't think it's not that close.
You don't think it's that close?
Nah, not that close that it's saying. Cause like yours, like I'm kind of like, it's like a kind of like a flinch a little bit. But that one is sound.
And I can tell where that one coming from.
And I can hear the spring. I hear the spring ting, ting.
Okay.
Shoot this. 5-5 or 2-2-3s.
Now that's the same one also, right?
Oh, this is a Huxworth.
Give me the decimal on it.
All right, let me try it out. I think you got to charge it. I don't think I got one up top. Ain't no way that's no 70.
I mean, it's a little bit. It sounded a little bit louder.
It sound louder?
Another one. It's
Yeah, how that sound?
It's for sure louder than your 300.
Yeah, it's for sure louder.
And it show more.
Yep. I think I literally just asked them. They said one, it could be new, or two, it's because of the 11.5.
Okay.
But I think that's some bull crap. The short barrel. But I just shot mine on my 7-inch and ain't no flash.
Shoot again, because it's always that first one kind of make a funny sound.
Yeah, you like that? Yeah. It's up there.
Damn. Okay.
It's saying 70s, 78, but like
it ain't cracking.
His 300 versus that one. What do you think?
Yeah, still that one. It ain't cracking.
What you think louder shooting behind it? That or your 300?
My 300.
Louder.
Yeah.
That's
this I feel like I'm hearing what is the best sound definition to give y'all? Damn, I don't even know a sound definition to give y'all, but mine is definitely louder. Mine is louder. Let me hold on. Let's shoot ours back to back. 2 shots.
300s?
Yeah.
I bet.
Give y'all 2 shots back to back. I don't think it's no debate as far as
yeah, what's quieter is just
what's quieter. The decimal reader read that his was quieter. I think he had consistent 59s. He had 2 59s and a 60. I believe mine were in the 60s.
Like you're like 60 on the die, yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
60.8.
But again, now we want to know, is the extra $700 worth it? And I'm kind of leaning towards again, there's no ears needed, but mine is louder. We gonna let y'all be the
Let me
judge.
see.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
You see it?
Yours was quieter for sure. And,
My-
and
my-
then,
mine
and then
like
I heard mine first, and then heard yours, so I know.
Mine like a, and yours like a.
Air, yeah.
Yeah.
Like a air fart.
What's that air for? Are you gonna you want to go at the same time though?
Okay, on 3.
Okay, gotcha.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, you overpowered.
A lot, like
I didn't even hear his.
yeah.
Okay.
I don't
Okay.
need the decimal reader, right, big bro?
Okay.
Get back here on this last one.
Hey.
Yeah, we can do that in the last one.
Wait, matter of fact, how it sound on steel? Shoot the steel. Last shot.
I give mine first. Still 35 yards. Hey,
This
man.
sound like a
Hey, his shit sounded like a nigga spit it.
yeah, yeah.
That's what his shit sounded like.
That's what I'm saying. The decimeter ain't no way is it one decimal off. Nah.
Yeah,
It's like a.
yeah.
It's like I can.
That one literally sounded like you
can
spit. Like,
you can handle a whole. I don't want to say it, but
nah,
ain't nobody
facts.
know what's going on.
Right. Yeah. Okay. So now the question, and I guess we'll leave that up to y'all, and y'all let us know in the
Yes.
comments.
Everybody preference.
From what you've heard here, is $700 more for the Hyperion K worth dropping out or not?
I'm going to get it again. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, my honest opinion, and this is the one I bought. For sure, this one was quieter, and I believe it was $700 more quieter.
Yeah.
But that gets you in the game though.
And that's what I was finna say as well. I'm not saying that this one wasn't quiet. We still haven't used ears for it. I'm not ringing. You know what I'm saying? Are you ringing?
Nah, I'm not ringing, but it's just like I wouldn't want to shoot. I wouldn't want to have a suppressed range day next to you.
Okay.
Constantly pow, pow, pow.
Okay.
But I'm gonna say this, because he said get you in the dough. Why you trying to get in the dough with a suppressor? A suppressor not a necessity. That's like, you know what I'm saying?
Right.
It's just like an extra. I wouldn't cheap out on something that's like an extra. Like it's like getting some nods and you getting some cheap nods. Like
right.
You might as well go get the.
Nah, facts.
Now I understand optics and stuff, because you know my Holosun ain't, you know, or my Siley ain't, you know. But when it's come to like something that's not really a necessity, why cheap out?
Right.
Because it's just extra.
And my reasoning was because when I purchased this, they did say it was this was at the beginning of the turnaround times
your
coming.
mic not on.
You said that.
Oh. But my fault.
No, for sure.
Hey, what's funny is we had the completely different opposite thought processes.
Yeah.
So
now
it's funny because I said if I'm gonna wait, I'm already looking for 12 months. I'm gonna do it big. He said if I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna just go get the cheap one. Like we had the complete opposite.
That's what I was getting to say. I couldn't see myself paying $1,000 for something that I wasn't gonna see for 12 months.
I say it like this though. It's like, let's just say you wait to marriage. You want to make sure that girl fine, huh?
Nah, for sure.
You ain't just trying to go get in the mud, duck.
Nah, for sure. And I was finna say, I wasn't even finna say necessarily fine, but you want to make sure she right. And
you know what I'm saying?
For
if
sure.
you're gonna work, I say what they say in school, it's worth the wait.
It's worth the wait.
It's worth the wait.
Sure. For sure. Now, so again, Honey Gang, final thoughts. I'm not saying it's not quiet, but I am saying
I say don't get it.
Sorry. This was
Sorry.
No. I'm here to give y'all the honest review.
honest
We not
review.
paid. This is, you know what I'm saying. Again, my
Ain't that extra.
$300 spending and his $1,000 spending, and I'm not mad at it because the next one is gonna be that. So
especially because the 223 quieter than that.
yeah.
We got to see the 762.
Yeah.
Let's. You want to see it?
Yeah, nah, for sure. We'll give y'all that before we go.
This man, hey man, hold on. He tried to cheap out on a 300 blackout bill. Look at that gun. How much that gun cost?
Hey man.
God dang on. That's probably about the cheapest thing on his gun.
Nah, facts.
And he gonna try to cheap out on a suppressor. Man.
First one.
Nah, facts.
But I understand his hood logic behind it.
Nah, facts.
It worth the wait.
I wasn't gonna see it for 12. I was giving them $1,000 just to hold for 12 months.
Me too.
Just hold this for 12 months, maybe even longer, because it's somebody might come and say he on month 14.
That's why black people don't invest, because they
Say he on month 14. Fam, I feel for you, fam.
Two sides.
Whew, Lordy.
No, man.
Honey gang, before we go, I'm gonna give y'all a comparison of this 300 blackout and that 223.
Yeah. The Flow Huxworth 556.
Flow Huxworth. Jizzle, let us know, man.
We need some fresh ears. Which one louder?
Don't do me like that.
That boy loud.
No, not the ears ringing. No, hold on. You gotta take the next two shots.
No. That one was loud. Maybe it was a cold start.
You gotta take the next two shots. Cause
the cold start, bro.
The first one to be loud. The first one gonna be loud.
oh, it was only two in there? No.
All right, let me check this out. Check.
That's quieter.
No, for sure.
That's quieter.
For sure.
I think also because it's a shorter gun too. Shorter barrel.
That's 300 blackout subsonic. Shooting subs.
Real quick, before I let y'all go, we gotta give Jizzle 4-5 shots of this thing. Let him give.
He said, "Why you do the man like that?"
You see that man?
We tried to do decimal read. I think the decimal reader was off.
Oh, the decimal reader said this one quieter?
No. So I'm gonna let you shoot both of them, but it said mine was hitting at 59, and his was hitting at 60.8. My when we did our 300 blackouts. Why you did that, man? Hey, don't listen to him. You had to do that man suppressor like that. How you did it like that?
That loud, my ears ringing.
That was a 58-1.
Why are you laughing?
I got it.
Good, bro. You dead wrong, bro.
How's it? What?
Mine was a 58. The one I don't know how many he shot, but the one I got was a 58. The one I just got on yours was a 55.
Ain't no way.
Nah, my ear. I'm not being funny.
No, for sure. I want the honest opinion.
Yeah, my ears ringing.
I don't think it's that close with the decimal reader though.
Hold on. Let me get it. That one said 62.1.
I don't think that's that close.
That thing said, stand back there.
Hold on. 61.4.
Way, like it's not that close.
But what did I say that one was? 61.4? That was a whole 10. This one say 51.9.
That's getting louder.
You think so?
Am I tripping? But
It was consistent at 60 when we first jumped it off. Hold on, let me get this one. 61 again.
it's like you can hear an echo down there now.
Yeah.
It's getting louder.
Echoing, but
Hold on.
at first it had a crack.
Now it's like
58.
no echo.
Well, honey gang, there you have it. We all in agreement that Hustles is quieter for sure. I'm saying that it's $700 more quieter. I would definitely.
Ask him. He a cheap
Is
man.
it $700 more quieter? Mine was 300. His was 1,000.
So you asking me which one would I buy?
Yeah.
Well, not which one would you buy?
Which one would you
'Cause
buy? Which one would you buy?
Because
You in the game for a suppressor.
I think that's
Your first suppressor.
established. I'm saying, is it
Is it worth?
$700 more dollars, or are you cool with that quiet?
I ain't gonna lie. I feel like you're gonna have to have ears with that one over time. After a mag, you might need some ears. Cause mine's still ringing a little bit.
Okay.
Hold on, he ain't got the mic on. So.
Okay.
Here, bro. Here.
And then
Hold on. Here, you gotta tell your story now. You a funny guy. You a funny guy, bro.
no, what
Not
hell?
at all for sure.
This man. No, but honestly, I really do feel like over time, after about a mag, you'll need some ears. So I would say, yeah, the $700 difference, I can see it.
Okay.
Not to mention it's subs.
Oh, you ain't shooting subs?
We both shooting subs.
Oh yeah,
You know, like,
it should be super quiet with subs.
You know when I shoot regular ones out mine,
It's a little louder.
it's a little. So imagine you shooting regular ones out that one.
Yeah, it's gonna be super loud.
Yeah, and I have already said that the supers are louder out of here than the subs for sure.
Oh, why y'all won't just put the same can on the same gun and then see if it's any different?
It's different.
Oh, different thread pitch.
Yeah. It gun like how much it gun?
Like 2, ain't it? 2,
See, oh, yeah,
25.
22.
I'm not laughing, trying to make fun
No, for sure. Give
because
it to
this
me.
man got money. He got a scar.
Yeah,
He got
yeah,
a scar. He got
yeah.
a staccator.
Yeah.
Let's not talk about the SIG. So I'm not laughing because he cheaping out because he want to be cheap.
Nah, for sure.
Dead wrong. He dead wrong.
For sure. But let me give you my thought process, Jizzle.
Oh, you got
I
one.
was thinking the same way.
I said I just couldn't see myself paying $1,000 for something that I wasn't gonna see for 12 months.
I get that, but now would you?
Well, you waited 7 months for yours?
No, I was at 75 days before the glitch.
Okay. I waited seven months for mine. I would still wait the 7 months, knowing like that I get it back. If I knew I was gonna get that back in 75
So
days.
this was 300. That was 700.
That was 1,000.
That was 1,000.
It was $700 difference. Are you okay with this $300 quiet, or that $300 quiet not quiet enough
It's
for
not
you?
quiet enough for me.
Okay.
If I want the suppressor, I want the full suppressor.
Okay.
Because you got to
Okay.
pay the tax stamp and all that. So.
Right. That's what I wanted to give y'all. Was it?
Especially not for no 300 blackout. I think that's
Was the $300 quieter?
That's disrespecting a 300 blackout. I'm not gonna lie to you. No reason in this world my 223 should be quieter than that. No reason. That is disrespectful to 300 blackout.
For sure. So there y'all have it. Full, honest opinion. Again, we not paid, so $300 versus $1,000. Y'all know what to do now. Honey Gang, man, until next time, y'all know what to do. We on the road to 4K. Make sure you tell somebody that's going to tell somebody.